Credit report errors can cost you big, higher interest rates, loan denials, or worse, missed opportunities. But how long does it actually take to fix a credit report error? Let's break down the timeline and show you how to get it resolved fast. Hi, in this video we will answer the question, how long does it take to dispute a credit report? Let's break down the timeline and show you the steps on how to get it resolved fast. Step 1. Preparing your dispute. Start by pulling your credit reports from all 3 major bureaus. You can do this for free at annualcreditreport.com. Next, gather documents that support your case. Billing statements, ID theft reports, or any communication with lenders. Then, draft a formal dispute letter and send it via certified mail to each agency. Be specific, be clear, and keep copies. And depending on your case, this usually takes 1 to 5 days of preparation. Step 2. Investigation by the credit bureaus. Once received, the credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate, sometimes up to 45 if you submit extra info during the process. They'll contact the data furnisher, like your bank or credit card company, to verify the accuracy. Step 3. Results plus resolution, 5 to 15 days. After the investigation, you'll get results. If the error is confirmed, it must be corrected or removed from your report. You'll also get a free updated copy of your credit report and an explanation if your dispute was denied. But what if it's not fixed? At Sue Your Credit Report, our legal team can escalate your case under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. We can hold the credit bureaus accountable in court, recover damages, and even help you file police reports. Disputing errors is stressful, but with the right legal help, you don't have to face it alone. Visit us at sueyourcreditreport.com for a free case review. We'll fight to get your report fixed fast.